So hello and a very good afternoon YouTube. This is the Dominar 400 2022 and today I'm going to be giving you my first ride impressions and a physical overview of the motorcycle. So talking about the heart of the motorcycle, it comes with 373cc single cylinder which produces 40 PS of power and 35 Newton meters of maximum torque. It comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a slip and assist clutch. Talking about the braking setup, at the front we get a 320mm disc and at the back we get a 230mm disc. Talking about the suspension setup of the motorcycle, at the front it comes with 43mm upside down forks and at the back it comes with a Nitrox gas charged monoshock. The seat height of the motorcycle is 800mm. The fuel tank capacity of the motorcycle is 13 liters. The ground clearance of the motorcycle is 157mm. Now talking about the tire sizes of the motorcycle, at the front we get 110 by 70 17 incher and at the back we get 150 by 60 17 incher. So let's hear the exhaust note of the motorcycle now. So now the major improvements or the accessories which are added by Bajaj for the year 2022 are a visor, knuckle guards, an aluminium engine bash plate, a backrest and a top rack where you can directly mount your top boxes on. And you also get a USB charging socket at the front right over here where you can charge your phone. You also get a phone mount holder where you can place your phone directly over here. So talking about the instrument cluster of the motorcycle, for this year you get a gear position indicator, twin trip meters, an odometer, time, speed, a tachometer, a digital fuel gauge, a neutral sign, a check engine light, an ABS light and a warning light. Talking about the horn of the motorcycle, the horn is pretty loud on the motorcycle. Now the lights on the motorcycle are like phenomenal. The Dominar is always known for its light. Here you can see, switching it on, and all the lights on the motorcycle are LED, the indicators as well as the tail light, the signature Dominar style tail light. Now the big eyesore is this sari guard which is also extended, and for the model year 2022 Dominar has also extended the leg guard and it also now covers the radiator so that whenever you take a fall you don't damage the radiator. So now I'm 172 centimeters and I can plant both my feet flat on the ground with no difficulties whatsoever. Talking about the weight of the motorcycle, the weight of the motorcycle is 193 kilograms and pushing it around you do feel the weight a little bit, but it's not that much. Now the quality of the mirrors and the side stand is like phenomenal. The side stand is very sturdy, the mirrors are also sturdy, they are made up of metal and a lot of people use these mirrors on their higher cc motorcycles. So this is actually the first time I've ridden the 40 PS Dominar. I have previously ridden the Dominar which has 35 PS of power and that was adequate according to me, but the more the merrier, right? And just look at it, man. For 2,69,000, 2,70,000 you get a proper superbike looking cockpit, like tall visor, knuckle guards. The green color also, like I'm really not a fan of the color green, but this green somehow appeals to me. And the pass light switch over here, everything feels right in its place. But the only gripe I have about the motorcycle is that gear position indicator is placed over here, because you have to take the eyes off the road to view the gear position indicator, and that's a little uncomfortable then, but after some time we'll definitely get used to it. Now the motorcycle only has 2 kilometers on the odometer, so thank you to Raj Bajaj for giving me this motorcycle to review. Now the weight of the motorcycle is 193 kilograms, but when you're riding the motorcycle the weight is not that evident at all. And mind you, I'm riding with a pillion. And yes, for this year Bajaj has also given us handlebar risers so that we can sit more comfortably in our saddle for longer durations without hunching and our backs hurting. So first gear, I hope we get to pull the motorcycle over here. Wow man, wow. The power delivery of the motorcycle is like just amazing, man. Amazing power delivery, second gear, and the exhaust note sounds so awesome. Third gear, cruising in traffic, no issues whatsoever. And what I like about Bajaj is that Bajaj is offering 5 years or a 80,000 kilometer engine warranty. So kudos to Bajaj for that, because what happens is people generally tend to think about the maintenance of the motorcycle or the reliability of the motorcycle. So Bajaj has taken that part out by giving you a 5 year or a 80,000 kilometer warranty already. And at the price point which it comes, 2,70,000 on road, I don't think so any company is going to give you 400 horsepower, so many features, upside down forks, a rear monoshock. I'm actually running out of breath now because there are so many features on offer. And plus the sales network of Bajaj, so that is a very good thing by Bajaj. And keep it up, Bajaj. I hope you keep on improving your sales and we get to see a new Dominar very soon. The exhaust note just sounds amazing. I guess we have a spot over here we can pull the motorcycle. Wow! Listen to the exhaust note of the motorcycle. And mind you, it was just the second gear. And with the incorporation of all the new accessories for the year 2022, like the taller visor, 2 knuckle guards, an engine bash plate, a backrest, a tail rack. Wow, man, like, let's pull it once. Wow, man, amazing power delivery. So if you like the motorcycle or if you want to buy the motorcycle, please test ride the motorcycle yourself, because what happens is people, they go and think about someone else's opinion and they buy a motorcycle which is not right for them. So please always test ride a motorcycle before you buy it. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video with someone you love, and till then, take care and ride safe.